Now we're going to talk about confirmation entry. So same as before, you always start off with your point of interest. When price comes into your point of interest, you're not looking to enter at that specific price point anymore. Okay, so what you're looking for then, if you're on an hourly chart, you're going to go down to a lower time frame. So at this level here, you're going to be looking to go down from an hourly to a 15 or a 5. If you're on a 4 hour, you can drop down to an hourly or a 15 or a 5. You're just looking for smaller market structure. Okay, so when the price comes into that price point, go down to your lower time frame, and then you're looking for price rejection and a break of structure at that level. Okay, once you get that, then you're then looking for the order block that caused that break of structure and that move away. This is now going to be your new entry point. Once you get the entry point, your stop loss goes underneath the order block, so this means you can get a much tighter stop loss, and then you're looking for price to move off in your favor. Okay, so some of the pros to this sort of entry, so the confirmation entry, the pros are it provides extra confirmation before entering. All right, so unlike the previous risk entry, this time you get your price point of interest, it comes into that point, and then you're going to get some level of consolidation, break of market structure to give you an idea that that is looking to hold. Okay, so it provides extra confirmation before entering. It gives you an excellent entry point. Right? It gives you a really, really tight entry point. It's one of my favorite entry points now with the confirmation entry, and it's one I typically like to use. It gives you a much tighter stop loss, and then that leads to you ultimately having a much better high risk to reward, okay, on your trades. Right, so this is where you see people on YouTube and things like that getting like 20 to 1, 30 to 1 risk to reward on their trades. Right now, the only con for this sort of setup is you may miss trades that don't offer the extra confirmation. Okay, so sometimes you'll get a price point or a point of interest, price will hit that point of interest and it will just take off out of there, and you won't get any confirmation that it was going to hold. It just moves away and then you've missed the trade. Okay, so that is the only con that you get on the confirmation entry. That's the confirmation entry. I'll see you in the next video.